Hello and welcome to the online viewing for 23 Brandwood Park Road. This is a 3-bedroom semi-detached property. Okay, then moving into the property, and we've got the porch leading into the hallway and then stairs going up to the first floor and a useful built-in understairs storage pantry. And then the first reception room here. Lovely large bay window towards the front aspect. And then we have the second reception room. This one having a door through to the rear lean-to. And across to the kitchen, which is nicely fitted, including a Belfast style sink. And then just moving out to the side lean-to, where there's additional sink units, space for fridge, freezer, plumbing for washing machine, boiler located here on the left, and then the door leading back out to the front of the house. And then in turn, we also have access through to the rear lean-to, which we can see here. And we also have a door going out from here into the garden. And then moving on to the first floor landing, where we have a window to the side, loft access point just above us. And then we have 3 bedrooms and a bathroom on this floor. First bedroom here with a bay window facing towards the front of the house. We also have the bathroom located here at the front as well, having a mixer shower over the bath. And across to the next bedroom, again a good size double room, and this one facing across the rear garden. And then we have the third bedroom, which again is a good size and having a fitted wardrobe in the corner. Okay, and going out into the garden, nice lawned area here, and pathway onto a good sized patio, raised deck, a couple of sheds, and also useful further covered seating area, which has double gates leading out to the rear access lane. And that concludes the online viewing. If you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, then please do call the office as soon as you can, and we'll hopefully talk to you soon. Thanks very much, and bye for now.